everyone, Gil here at Grayman Prepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about your EDC, your everyday carry, and particularly about doing an audit on it. All right? So why would you need to do an audit on your everyday carry? I've seen lots of videos out there, people talking about, oh, this is my everyday carry. And some of them have like 5 or 6 things, and that's it. Others try to have 15, 20 things they're carrying. It's like, how are you guys keeping your pants up? Go through and audit what you use every day, or that one particular or 2 items that you need to have in your everyday carry stuff, just in case. All right. Now, there are some situations where you can't carry everything you want to carry in all places. So go through, figure out what it is you need to carry, what you can carry, and do whatever you need to do to make it so it works best for you. Now, what works best for me may not work best for you. Me, I have very little I carry around. I carry around a multi-tool, reach in here and pull it out. Bing! My knife. All right. I carry one of these in my shirt pockets usually, a little tweezers. Pen, notepad, phone. That runs the gamut just about there, right? That's it. Now, I don't carry a lot of stuff that some people say to carry because, hey, I don't need it. All right. It's like carrying a toolbox around with you. Oh, I might need something in here. An everyday carry is stuff that you usually use every day. So you got to make the decisions. What is what? So go through, audit what you're carrying. And if there's something you're always going and trying to find, that you use, 2 or 3 times a week. If it's a small item, you can carry it in your pocket or whatever. You might consider adding that to your everyday carry. All right. So stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't go out and do anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps, water, food, medicines, whatever equipment you need, and add more skills to your stuff. What? Why? Well, this is why.